Up for a little night action.
Oh, somebody then was his head. Not a real.
Okay.
All set?
Yeah.
1, 2. No.
False start.
False start.
Was that lobster or?
2 false starts and you disqualified. Okay. Now, a quick quiz. What do you do when you get to the back of the boat?
The back of the boat? Oh, turn your torch
is off.
Yep.
Okay. Which side should the wall be on heading back to the boat?
Right side.
Okay.
Where is the wall?
Just running over it.
Okay, there's the marker there, right.
Okay, we're all ready. Set in the blocks. And 1. And 2. And 3.
Two faces, playing with my trust in you. You cover all your traces and watch me relax with you. Insidious, creep away and do your deal. Return what you think is you. You couldn't be further from the truth. Couldn't you have told me before? I would have loved you so much more. Couldn't you have told me before? Feeling like an hour.